A machine is carrying the sounds of humanity through deep space, and it may outlive our entire civilization. In 1977, Carl Sagan helped create the Golden Record, a message designed to explain humanity to the universe. It carried 116 images: the sound of rain, wind, waves, a mother speaking to her newborn, music from 27 cultures, and greetings in 55 languages. NASA attached it to Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 and launched it into space. Right now, that message is over 15 billion miles away, still moving, still carrying the sounds of Earth. In 40,000 years, Voyager will pass another star. No one knows if anyone will ever find it. But somewhere in the dark, the sound of us is still drifting through the universe.